Let's talk about high revenue but no money at the end of the month. Are you a business owner? You know your revenue is very high, but at the end of the month, it just doesn't make sense. Let's look at some points. Number one, your pricing. You need to check your price. Now, even though I'm a business consultant and I can teach you pricing or have an idea about pricing, I usually advise, please take your pricing to a financial expert. Take your pricing to a financial expert. Let a financial expert, let a professional accountant handle your price. You know why I say that? Most people who I see, business coaches especially, who are not accountants, who do not have a financial background, when they say a lot of them do pricing online, there are a lot of elements that they do not factor into the business, especially for production businesses. Especially for production. Some businesses will not, some people who do your pricing will not even factor in depreciation. They won't factor depreciation of your machine. So my advice when it comes to pricing, this is usually the first area where money just disappears. Check your pricing and have a professional accountant handle your pricing so they can factor in every single element of the business that need to be put into your price so that your costing for that product will be accurate. Number two, poor accounting practices. Poor accounting practice. A lot of businesses have very poor accounting practices, and sometimes it's because they maybe probably employ somebody who is not really knowledgeable or qualified to handle that level of accounting. So they just have an accountant who just understands how to record sales and stuff like that, but cannot really produce for you the real health or the financial health of your business or of your organization. They can just record yourself, you just do it shabbily. But because you're not even knowledgeable in accounting, whatever they give to you as a report, you just accept it. But they really cannot give you the true health or the financial state or well-being of your organization. So you need a professional account to be able to factor in every necessary cost to give you the price. Now, even when it comes to pricing, if you do not have, like I said, this is it. Poor accounting practices and pricing, they have kind of a relationship because some people don't know how to factor in every possible cost that happens in an organization. Some people don't capture every possible cost. And if your accountant cannot give you the true state of your business, you will not even know if it's your operational cost that is killing the business. You will not be able to tell. But if you have a good accountant who gives you the true state, the accurate state of your finances, you'll be able to tell where is the basket or where is the funnel in my business. You'll be able to see where you have loopholes in your business. You'll be able to see if it's your operational cost. You'll be able to see if it's your inventory. Then you'll be able to see if everything seems right, yet the profit is slow. Then maybe you did not price your product well. So a true financial statement will let you know, okay, do I need to change my suppliers? What do we need to reduce? Because in accounting, tiny leaks can sink a ship. You need to look at what products do we buy, what toiletries, what brand of products do we need to change? Do we need to go from maybe Sunlight to Viva or Ziva, whatever it's called? Your financial statement will help you see those. Another thing you also need to look at your inventory. Your inventory. See, an inventory, your software is a tool, is a control tool that helps you increase efficiency. However, it can be garbage in, garbage out. Your inventory is very important. Let me just give you this fact. If you as a business owner know that you don't even have an idea of your inventory, you do not know what you have in your store. You don't know your fastest moving goods. You don't know within the last quarter or within the last 1 month the product that sold the most. You don't even know what is inside your store. If your inventory is not accurate, you know that your inventory records are not accurate. You know that there's chaos around your inventory. Whatever financial statement or financial report is given to you by your accountant is wrong. If your inventory is not accurate, if there's chaos in your inventory, whatever financial report, even if your financial consultant gives to you, that report, that financial statement is wrong. So you need to go back into your inventory and sort it out. For example, if let's say you sell t-shirts and you brought in 3 t-shirts or 5 t-shirts, you sold 2. And those 2 are supposed to give you, let's say, a profit of 5,000 naira, which is 10,000 naira. And you're supposed to have 3 remaining. But for some strange reason, your store person did not see 3, they saw 2. Maybe 1 was hidden, maybe 1 was torn, maybe 1 was stolen. And at the end of the month, the store person reports that 2 was sold, but there's remaining 2. And the accounts person, not even knowing what is going on, just takes that information and prepares an accounting report. What do you think is going to happen? The profit margin is already wrong. Because 5,000 naira is missing from that profit margin. Does it make sense? So you need to check your inventory. Another thing to look at your control process. There has to be a form of reconciliation, or you have to be able to reconcile your inventory opening stock, your sales, your balance inventory, and everything that happens in the accounts department. You must be able to reconcile your sales, your inventory, and your finance as a whole. There has to be that reconciliation. Now, because like I said in the beginning, that the business is a system made up of subsystems. For you to know the true financial health of your business, for you to be able to say this is where my money is going to, every subsystem in your business must be accounted for. Every subsystem in your business must have efficiency in its flow for you to know the true financial state of your business. So if you're a business owner who is wondering, we have so much revenue, at the end of the month, I can't see my money. Go and look at your pricing. Check your accounting practices. Check your accounting practices. Is your accountant qualified to handle the volume of transactions that come in? Check your inventory management. Check your control processes, policies, and control tools. Ensure that all these systems and subsystems are working efficiently. By the time you sit down and check every single system and subsystem, you will find where your money is going to. I promise you. I hope this helps. Have a lovely day.